Welcome to Master Node.js Build Real-World Applications. This comprehensive course is your gateway to mastering Node.js and becoming a proficient backend developer. We'll guide you from foundational concepts to advanced techniques, empowering you to build robust, scalable, and real-world applications. Throughout this journey, you'll gain hands-on experience through practical projects. You'll learn by doing, solidifying your understanding of Node.js and building an impressive portfolio of applications. Get ready to unlock a world of possibilities with Node.js. Let's get started. This course is meticulously designed to equip you with a comprehensive skill set in Node.js development. Whether you're a beginner eager to dive into backend programming, or an experienced developer looking to sharpen your expertise, this journey will provide you with the tools and knowledge you need to excel in the world of Node.js. Our curriculum is structured to ensure you not only understand the core concepts, but also gain hands-on experience through practical examples and real-world projects. Here's a breakdown of the core objectives. Each module is carefully crafted to build upon the previous one, ensuring a smooth and logical progression as you advance through the course. By the end, you'll have a solid foundation and the confidence to tackle complex Node.js projects on your own. First, Node.js fundamentals. This is where your journey begins. We'll start from the ground up, covering the essentials of Node.js, including its event-driven architecture and the unique way it handles asynchronous operations. You'll gain a deep understanding of how Node.js works under the hood, explore its core modules, and learn how to write efficient server-side JavaScript code. We'll also discuss the Node.js runtime environment, the event loop, and how Node.js differs from traditional server-side technologies, giving you a strong conceptual framework to build upon. Next, asynchronous programming. Node.js thrives on asynchronous programming, enabling it to handle concurrent requests efficiently. We'll delve into callbacks, promises, and async await, empowering you to write non-blocking code. You'll see how these concepts are applied in real-world scenarios, such as handling file operations, network requests, and database queries. Mastering asynchronous programming is key to unlocking the full potential of Node.js, and will provide you with plenty of exercises and examples to reinforce your understanding. Then, building RESTful APIs with Express.js. You'll learn how to build robust and scalable RESTful APIs using Express.js, the most popular Node.js framework. We'll cover routing, middleware, handling requests and responses, and best practices for API design. You'll also discover how to structure your projects for maintainability, implement error handling, and document your APIs for other developers. By the end of this section, you'll be able to create APIs that are both powerful and easy to use. Working with MongoDB is also crucial. Data persistence is crucial for any application. We'll explore MongoDB, a NoSQL database that seamlessly integrates with Node.js. You'll learn about CRUD operations, schema design, and how to interact with MongoDB using Mongoose. We'll guide you through setting up your database, connecting it to your Node.js application, and performing advanced queries. You'll also learn about data validation, indexing, and strategies for scaling your database as your application grows. User authentication and security are essential too. Security is paramount. We'll cover essential user authentication and authorization techniques, including implementing secure login and registration systems. You'll learn about best practices to protect your applications from vulnerabilities. We'll discuss password hashing, token-based authentication with JWT, and how to manage user sessions securely. By understanding these security fundamentals, you'll be able to safeguard your applications and user data against common threats. Testing with Jest is another important skill. Writing tests is crucial for building reliable and maintainable applications. You'll learn how to write unit and integration tests using Jest, a popular JavaScript testing framework, to ensure your code behaves as expected. We'll show you how to set up your testing environment, write effective test cases, and use mocking to isolate components. With these skills, you'll be able to catch bugs early and maintain high code quality as your projects evolve. Finally, cloud deployment. We'll guide you through deploying your Node.js applications to the cloud. You'll explore different cloud platforms and learn how to configure your applications for optimal performance and scalability. We'll cover environment variables, continuous integration and deployment pipelines, and monitoring your applications in production. By mastering deployment, you'll be able to share your projects with the world and ensure they run smoothly in real-world environments. Get ready to embark on your path to Node.js mastery. This course is designed specifically for aspiring backend developers who want to take their skills to the next level, as well as anyone interested in learning how to build powerful modern web applications using Node.js. If you're eager to harness the power of Node.js, whether for personal projects, professional growth, or to enhance your resume, you're in the right place. This course is suitable for a wide range of learners. Whether you're a complete beginner with no prior programming experience or you already have some background in coding, you'll find valuable content here. We'll help you build a strong foundation and guide you step by step as you develop your own Node.js applications. For those just starting out, if you're new to programming or backend development, this course is structured to provide you with all the basics you need. You'll learn the core concepts of Node.js, understand how backend systems work, and gain confidence as you progress through hands-on exercises. We'll walk you through every step, from installing Node.js and setting up your development environment, to understanding the tools and resources you'll use as a Node.js developer. You'll write your very first lines of Node.js code, experiment with real-world examples, and gradually build up your skills with practical projects. For experienced developers, if you're already comfortable with other programming languages or frameworks, this course will introduce you to the unique features and advantages of the Node.js ecosystem. You'll discover how Node.js can complement your existing knowledge and open up new possibilities for backend development. By the end of this course, you'll know how to leverage your current skills to build high-performance, scalable applications with Node.js, and you'll be ready to tackle real-world backend challenges with confidence. The course is thoughtfully structured into a series of modules, with each one dedicated to a specific and essential aspect of Node.js development. This design ensures that you're never overwhelmed, and that you can focus on mastering one concept at a time before moving on to the next. By following this modular approach, you'll experience a logical and progressive learning path. Each module builds upon the knowledge gained in the previous one, allowing you to gradually develop a deep and comprehensive understanding of Node.js. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience, this structure helps you solidify your foundation and grow your skills step by step. Let's take a high-level look at the modules you'll be exploring throughout this course, so you know exactly what to expect and how each part fits into your journey as a Node.js developer. We begin with the introduction to Node.js. In this opening module, we'll lay the groundwork by introducing you to Node.js, its unique architecture, and the core principles that set it apart from traditional server-side technologies. You'll discover why Node.js is so popular for building scalable, high-performance applications, and how its event-driven, non-blocking model works under the hood. You'll get hands-on right away by writing your very first Node.js program. Along the way, we'll explore essential concepts such as modules, the Node.js runtime, and the basics of working with the file system and console output. Next, we dive into asynchronous JavaScript. Understanding asynchronous programming is absolutely crucial in Node.js, as it's the foundation for building fast and responsive applications. We'll break down the event loop, explain how asynchronous code execution works, and show you why it's so important for handling multiple tasks efficiently. In this module, you'll learn how to use callbacks, promises, and async/await to write non-blocking code. We'll provide practical examples and exercises to help you master these concepts, so you can confidently handle asynchronous operations in your own projects. Then we move on to building RESTful APIs with Express.js. Here you'll discover how to create robust and scalable RESTful APIs using Express.js, the most popular web framework for Node.js. You'll learn how to structure your API, handle requests and responses, and connect your backend to the outside world. We'll cover essential topics like routing, middleware, and best practices for designing APIs that are both efficient and maintainable. You'll also see how to document your APIs and make them easy for others to use. After that, we'll explore data persistence with MongoDB. In this module, you'll get to know MongoDB, a powerful NoSQL database that integrates seamlessly with Node.js. You'll understand why MongoDB is a great choice for modern applications, and how to set up and connect your Node.js app to a database. We'll guide you through performing CRUD operations, creating, reading, updating, and deleting data, using Mongoose, a popular ODM library. You'll also learn about schema design, data validation, and how to structure your data for real-world applications. Up next is user authentication and security. Security is absolutely paramount in any application, and in this module, you'll learn how to protect your Node.js apps from common threats and vulnerabilities. We'll cover a variety of techniques for user authentication and authorization, including implementing secure login and registration systems, managing user sessions, and using industry-standard libraries to keep your users' data safe. Then, we'll focus on testing Node.js applications. Writing tests is essential for building reliable and maintainable software, and in this module, you'll discover how to ensure your code works as expected. You'll learn how to write both unit and integration tests using Jest, one of the most popular testing frameworks for Node.js. We'll show you how to automate your tests and integrate them into your development workflow. Finally, we'll guide you through deploying Node.js applications. You'll learn how to deploy your Node.js apps to popular cloud platforms, configure your environment for production, and ensure your applications are accessible, scalable, and ready for real-world use. By the end of this course, you'll have a clear roadmap and the practical skills needed to succeed as a Node.js developer. This course emphasizes a hands-on, project-based approach to learning. Throughout the modules, you'll engage in practical exercises and build real-world projects, solidifying your understanding of the concepts covered. For instance, you'll build a RESTful API for a blog application, enabling users to create, read, update, and delete blog posts. You'll implement user authentication to secure the API and protect user data. These hands-on projects will not only reinforce your learning but also provide valuable portfolio pieces to showcase your skills to potential employers. We're committed to providing you with all the resources you need to succeed in this course. You'll have access to downloadable code, so all code examples and project files will be available for download, allowing you to follow along and experiment on your own. There's also a community forum where you can engage with fellow students, ask questions, and share your progress in our dedicated space. Our instructors and teaching assistants will be there to provide support and guidance. On top of that, we'll host regular live Quanda sessions where you can get your questions answered directly by the instructors. Start building your future today. Embark on this exciting journey of mastering Node.js and unlock a world of possibilities in backend development. With our comprehensive curriculum, hands-on projects, and dedicated support, you'll gain the skills and confidence to build real-world applications. Enroll today and start building your future.